Okay, here is our Ask Dr. Rajani question of the day.
Hi, Dr. Rajani. This is Sally. I have a quick question about the needling, the rolling ball. I'm so afraid of doing that. I'm not sure if I'm afraid it's going to be painful, how much I should spend on one, if it's going to be how to clean it in between times. That just seems like if I run over a little pimple or something, what will happen with that? Any further advice you can give on the dangers of the micro needling at home, I would really appreciate it. And I love the human growth hormone cream that I'm using. It comes in a gel. I feel like I'm getting great absorption with that, just the way it is. But if you say it's okay to use that micro needling device at home with a little bit of acne, I would really appreciate that. Have a great day, and I love your videos.
Okay, Sally, thank you. So she's using microneedling, wondering if it's okay to run over the odd pimple with microneedling. And the growth hormone she's on, she's getting good absorption. I don't think she meant that she wanted to microneedle growth hormone into the skin. I definitely wouldn't do that. If you're on that cream, it's meant to absorb. Okay, so we'll move that aside. You do not microneedle things in that aren't meant for internal use. But if we talk about derma rolling or needling over a pimple, the small pimples usually people don't have big problems with. You can spread bacteria. It depends on why you're getting the pimple. Certainly, if it's the odd pimple here or there, many people get away with it, but you can avoid areas of inflammation, such as a pimple. Of course, infection, I wouldn't do it, but it can also spread them. She asked about cleaning, which is real important, and how much to pay. Usually people clean these devices with alcohol. Hypochlorous is great, but you can clean with alcohol in between sessions. A lot of people try and save money with these rollers, and oftentimes a little piece of a needle on the roller can get off and enter the skin, and we have to dig them out. Oftentimes too, they will be scattered. And if you look at it, especially microscopically, the cheap rollers, if you're just trying to buy them off Amazon and different places, I love Amazon too, but it may not be the best place to get your healthcare needs at this point, because a lot of times you get the cheaper rollers and it's basically tearing up the skin. Get a good roller. I like the disposable ones that come, we sell them on our store. It's from Anti-Age. The product is meant to go into the skin. The roller is high quality. You throw it out after 10 uses or so, and it comes with a cleaner, so you can clean it with alcohol. These are all, Sally, some questions that are relative answers. You have to be very, very careful. If you're scared already, probably you don't necessarily have the knowledge, unless you want to study this, to be doing it. Leave it to the professionals. You'll get a deeper treatment. They'll avoid areas of inflammation. And should there be a problem or acne flares up or you have problems, they'll be able to look after you. So I do recommend, unless you are an astute DIYer, do-it-yourselfer, and you're willing to study these and deal with the problems that come up with them. And that last part is very problematic, because I get 10 to 20 DMs on my Instagram a day of people with disasters trying to fix it. I'm not trying to turn you off of it, but study, study, study. I have whole videos on microneedling. I talk about the nuances. You get one face. Be very careful, Sally. Keep us posted. Let us know how you're doing with it, should you try it.